Precision Plus has existed for close to 40 years. Started off as a small screw machine shop with hand machines and have evolved.
In the Tsugami line, we have 24 machines in the building currently. Originally, we bought 2 SS20s and 2 SS32s. We found that the live tooling on both the main and the sub spindle fit our job shop environment just perfect.
REM Sales has supported us from the beginning. They've always been willing to pick up the phone. Our contacts have stretched out over a decade. We can get questions answered in a matter of minutes.
What I like about dealing with the people at REM Sales has been just the honesty, the straightforwardness, and the responsiveness.
On a nightly basis, we'll have 3 or 4 machines run continuously all the way through the night. Probably another half a dozen or so will run some degree of unattended operations. The best machines are the ones that can run all day without being intervened with. All of our Tsugami Swiss CNC machines are equipped with high pressure coolant. We have 8 lines available at 2000 PSI. It gives us the capability of running high performance drills. We have exceptional chip control with coolant through. One of Precision Plus's principles is to standardize as much of our production platforms as possible. We recently had a contract for a part where we made as many as we could for as long as we could. So we were able to run 2 machines continuously for about 8.5 weeks while we bailed somebody out. That was an interesting challenge. Take as much cycle time out of it as possible. Strip all the unnecessary movements out of the process.
Why we went with the Tsugami was that the consistency of how the machines are laid out and how everything works, that it was easy to cross-train across different platforms. The different features they offered fit our type of work, exactly what we needed.